Hello Dyson and welcome to Maths. Let me share my screen and we'll get started straight away. There it is. Today we'll be looking at tens and ones. And you might be thinking, Miss Walker, what are you talking about? Well, before we dive into that, I'd like you to pause the video straight away and write down these 3 missing number questions and fill in the blanks. Okay, off you go. Right, today we'll be talking about partitioning numbers into tens and ones. And your extra challenge is also going to be, can I work on my own without asking for help? Okay, so tens and ones. Count these sticks with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones equals a group of 10. 10 ones is equal to 10. Fantastic, well done. Okay, what have I got here? It's a full tens frame. So what have I got? How many have I got? 10. Right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. Fantastic. Well done. Now, because we're at home, this is a little bit more complicated. I'm going to show you what we would have used when we would have been talking about tens and ones if we were at school. So here I have these tiny little blocks. Can you see them? Yeah? This represents 1. Okay, so when I get 10 of these tiny blocks and put them together, they make 1 10. So when we look at a number, we can partition that number or split it up into tens and ones. Okay, here is an example. This is 10 marbles, isn't it? How many marbles have I got there? 2, good. This is 2 marbles. So there are 12 marbles altogether. If I was showing that with my little blocks, it would be 10 and 2. Yeah? 10 and 2 make 12. 12 marbles. Okay, your turn. Can you tell me how many tens do I have in this picture? There's 1 10. Well done if you got it. How many ones do I have? You have to count them. They're just there, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 ones. There is 1 10 and 7 ones. 1 10 and 7 ones. Whoop, I dropped one. So there are 17 in total. There are 17 marbles. Okay, how many ants do I have? How many tens do I have? Can you tell me? You're absolutely right. There's 1 10. How many ones do I have this time? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 ones. So how many ants are there all together? I have 1 10 and 4 ones. That makes 14. Fantastic, Dyson, well done. Okay, how many do I have this time? How many 10s do I have? It's confusing. There's 2 full 10s frames. That must mean I have 1, 2 10s. So there are 2 10s. How many ones do I have? I don't have any left. That must mean there are 0 ones. I have 2 10s and 0 ones. So I have how many altogether? How many blocks do I have? 20. Fantastic if you got that. Well done. Now, how could we make the number 15 out of 10s and 1s? What I'd like you to do is draw some 10s frames and figure out how many 10s and how many 1s I've got. Okay? Pause me and come back in a second. So I have 1 10 and 5 1s. There we go. 1 10 and 5 1s makes 15. Really well done. This is really complicated stuff. Okay, it's your turn now. So what I would like you to do is make the number that these 4 questions, I'd like you to make 18 first. I'm going to show you how I'd like you to do it. Okay, on your piece of paper, I would like you to write the number. Then I would like you to draw how many 10s and how many 1s. Here's an example that I've done on my whiteboard. I've written the number 18 and I've drawn 1 10 and 8 1s. So you should have 4 questions with different numbers that look like this. Okay, so for the 10s, draw a 10 stick, and for the 1s you draw individual squares. Okay, sorry, pause me and come back for the next part when you're finished. Okay, the next part, you've got 2 options. You can either write this STEM sentence down or record yourself saying the STEM sentence, filling in the missing numbers. So it says, my number is 17. It has how many 10s and it has how many 1s? The whole is blank. Okay, I'd like you to either write that down or tell me in a video and add it to Tapestry as well. Okay, pause me again and copy it nice and neatly. Okay, here is the challenge for any of you who want to complete my challenge. I have a number that you can see there. I'd like you to fill in the missing boxes in this STEM sentence. Okay, all of the work from today, can you take pictures of it, put it on Tapestry, make sure I can see it, because I'm really looking forward to seeing all your hard work. Fantastic, year 1, well done. Pause it on this screen if you want to do the challenge. Otherwise, I will see you in a minute for the next lesson. Okay, bye Dyson.